Hi, this is Heather with Business Cleaning Solutions. On this channel, we share commercial cleaning insights that are designed to empower you, the customer. Our goal is to help businesses maintain cleaner workplaces with less hassle. We're building a community of people who value clean facilities. If you like what you hear, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our content. Now today, we're going to address one of the most dreaded of cleaning challenges. When a workplace becomes so consistently dirty that it's impossible to ignore. Maybe the tipping point came after a customer complained about the restrooms, or an employee mentioned how dirty the break room was. This kind of feedback is frustrating. What's more, if you're running a medical clinic, restaurant, or retail business, it can lead to bad reviews and affect your reputation. You work hard. You deserve a clean business you can be proud of. Trouble is, as an owner or manager, you've got a lot on your plate. It can be hard to find the time to get the cleaning issues turned around. While there is no magic wand to make these problems vanish, there is a solution that can make your life a little easier: a commercial deep clean service. This restorative cleaning is designed to get your business back up to an acceptable level of cleanliness. It's an investment in the health, safety, and success of your business. When looking to hire a cleaning service, a reputable company should be willing to come out and do a site walkthrough ahead of time in order to assess your cleaning needs. Yes, they'll judge your housekeeping skills, but don't worry, they won't eye roll. Instead, they should consult you on how to make lasting improvements. They should put together a scope of work that lists recommended cleaning tasks. Generally speaking, a deep clean would kick off a new ongoing janitorial service. Here are 7 reasons why your business may need a deep clean. It raises the bar on cleanliness. A lack of proper cleaning can lead to a number of cleaning challenges, a tough lesson you may have learned the hard way. The deep clean gives your business a fresh start by establishing a new baseline of sanitation. It helps you identify and uncover any areas that may require additional attention or ongoing maintenance to maintain. A high level of cleanliness is so important. It removes accumulated dirt and grime. With neglect comes an unhealthy buildup of dirt and debris that can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas. Heavy amounts of contaminants, such as dust and pollen, can even induce health problems for allergy sufferers. An initial deep cleaning removes these things, which improves indoor air quality. Eliminating these threats can also help prevent the spread of germs and of viruses. It improves appearance. A deep clean can improve the appearance of your business and make it more inviting to customers. A clean and well-maintained workplace can also boost employee morale and productivity. It enhances your reputation. A clean business really shines. This can boost your reputation with customers, employees, and the community. Word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool, and a clean business can help attract new customers and retain existing ones. Cleaning professionals have specialized tools and techniques, while your staff or struggling cleaner may have tried their best to keep your business looking okay. Sometimes it's hard to keep up without professional training. This is where commercial cleaning stands a head and shoulders above Joe Schmo and his DIY efforts. They'll utilize equipment such as HEPA-filtered vacuums, carpet extractors, floor scrubbing machines, high-powered pressure washing machines, or dusting wands with extensions to quickly and efficiently get the job done right. From the top of the ceiling fans down to floor baseboards, the idea is to get your business to pass that white glove inspection test. Superior chemicals. There are literally hundreds of cleaning products out there. Perusing the options at the grocery store can be overwhelming. Commercial cleaning companies use specialty products designed to tackle specific challenges. This can include everything from kitchen grease removal on walls to carpet spot removal and removing mineral buildup in toilet bowls. Additionally, Their expertise and technique, including dilution, application, and product dwell time, will ensure that your property is never damaged during the cleaning process. It helps you solve facility problems. Much of cleaning is actually detective work. You've got to identify what you're looking at and know how to effectively remove it. In this process, you'll also discover the origins of the problem. This can in turn create a game plan for making improvements to your facility. Examples can include problems such as dirty HVAC air filters that need to be changed out more often, or moisture-related concerns around windows or around toilets. When it comes to getting your workplace looking its very best, there's no time like the present. Make this year the one where you finally operate a clean, welcoming business that you can be proud of. Consider a commercial deep clean today. Have questions? Contact our team at Business Cleaning Solutions.